In this vibrant and competitive world dominated by computers and modern gadgets, what do you think is an important trait should a woman possess in order to survive, and why? Candidate number 9, good luck.
Thank you so much. Matahong Sabay is a journey every woman lives to dream and experience. And I am one of those women. And I am here in this exact stage, blessed that I am standing here in front of you. And to answer that question, in this modernized world, a lot of things we are capable of doing in this modernized world. Gadgets, AI, technologies. But I do believe that a woman can survive if she is selfless. As I stand here in the process of making myself your queen, I realize that this journey, specifically in this modernized world, this is not a one-woman journey. I am standing here not for my own recognition, but for the people who believe in me. And I know that if a woman is selfless, I know that she is capable of things. And she is not just representing herself in this modernized world or in the future. She is also representing the people who believe and the people who expect a lot from her. Thank you so much, Yvonne.